Hello again, everyone. My name's Michael. And let's go ahead and take a look at one of your problems from the target round. So number 6, Pedro draws a rectangle on one side of a square so that the rectangle and square share exactly one side and do not overlap. The combined area of the two shapes is 100 and the perimeter of the region is 50. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So this problem, essentially, we have this fun square here. And then to that square, we're going to attach a rectangle. So let's say that the square has side length S. And let's say that the rectangle also has to have one side of length S. And let's call the other one R for rectangle, right? So that means that we can see that the combined area, right? The area of the square is S squared, right? And the area of the rectangle is length times width, or RS. So the combined area, or S squared plus RS, is equal to 100. And we also know that the perimeter of the entire region is 50. So that means we have that 2 times S plus R is equal to 50. So we solve for the second one, right? Well, we can actually do a couple of things. So the first thing that I'm going to do is factor this first equation into S times S plus R is equal to 100. And using our second equation, we're going to divide both sides by 2 and then combine terms on the left-hand side, and that gives us 2S plus R equals 25. We can rearrange this to be R equals 25 minus S, 2S, excuse me. And we can then substitute that into our top equation to see what we get. Now that gives us S times S plus 25 minus 2S equals 100. Or S times 25 minus S equals 100. Now there's a lot of ways we can solve this. We can multiply out and use factoring or the quadratic equation. We can guess, check, and revise. And here I think that's a good strategy because we can see that for factors of 100 that add up to 25, right, which is essentially what we're looking for. We're looking for S and 25 minus S. They multiply to 100 and they add to 25. And those numbers are 20 or 5, right? Now, you might be like, well, how do we have two solutions? What are we supposed to do? Well, we can see that in reality, we can only have one of them be a solution for a couple of reasons. Number one, if S equals 20, then R, the side length of the rectangle, is negative 15, which makes no sense. And two, we have a total area of 100. But if S was equal to 20, then the square alone would be 400. So that also doesn't work. So that means that S equals 5, right? And therefore, R equals 25 minus 2S is 15. So to find the perimeter of the rectangle, that perimeter is going to be equal to 2 times R plus S, which is equal to 2 times 15 plus 5, or 40. And that is our answer for target number 6.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.